Jai Hind. My name is Jas Dubey and I belong to Kannauj, but currently I am living in Kanpur. As per as qualification background, I am pursuing my BTech final year from KIT from computer science background. I have an experience of teaching of last 5 years. I am also subject matter expert in Check India platform and in Bartley by. My student who are teached with me also qualified Air Force exam and NDA exam and ranked in a 10th and 12th board. If I talk about my achievement, I am also qualified NDA exam 2 times and 1 time Air Force exams. So in today's video, we will discuss about fraction. What is fraction and how can we cover it, how can we understand it, all the concept we will discuss in this video. So let's start this video. Basically, what is fraction? When an object is divided into a number of equal parts, then each part is called a fraction. When an object is divided into equal parts, suppose we have a chocolate and we divide it into 3 parts, then it is called a fraction. So if we divided a chocolate, suppose a 1 chocolate and divided into 3 parts, then 1, 2 and 3, we have only 3 parts of 1 chocolate. Then if we consider only 2 parts, then this will a fraction of 2 by 3, which is written 2 by 3. You can see 2 by 3. 2, this is a numerator, and 3, this is a denominator. But is numerator, top of fraction is called a numerator and bottom of fraction is called a denominator. Now let's understand what is denominator. A denominator say how many equal parts in the whole object. Basically, how many equal parts. So there are 2 equal parts. In the circle there are only 2 equal parts, which I divided 1 and 2. So these 2 equal parts are written in a bottom, which is denominator. How many equal parts are there in this shape? So there are total 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The total 4 parts. And what is basically a 1? This is a numerator, which is a colored part. What is the denominator? So this is the answer with 4. Now find denominator of these fractions. Now there are 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer will be 4. There are 3, 1, 2 and 3. So answer will be 3. There are 1 and 2. So answer will be 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically there are 4 equal parts. That's why this answer will 1 by 8. So now let's this answer. So if we talk about drawing a fraction, then we call also drawing it 1 by 6. So only 6 equal part. 1 by 3, 3 equal part, 4 equal part and 10 equal part. And what is these ones? These ones are the numerator, which is colored part of the fraction. So we can see it 6 part, 4 parts, 10 parts and 3 parts. 1 is a colored part, 1 is a colored part, 1 is a colored part. Now, so denominator on the bottom of fraction. Denominator is the bottom of fraction, which tell about how many there are in the whole object. Okay. So what is numerator? The numerator say how many parts in the fraction. Basically, how many parts. If we have a fractions, so how many parts in the fraction which have specified qualities like colored and all the things. So there are 1 part is colored. That's why 1 is a numerator, which is top of fraction. How many equal parts are colored in this shape? So there are 3 parts that is colored. So answer will be 3. So you can see it, answer will be 3. And if we talk about find the numerator for these fractions, so there are total 4 parts. That's why we have written in here 4, that is the denominator. And if we talk about upper portion, which is numerator, so there are 3 parts which are colored. So that's why answer will be 3. Here answer will be 2, 2 by 3. Here answer will be 1 by 8. It means because 1 part is colored. Here answer will be 4 and 1, 5, 5 by 8. So we can see it 3, 2, 1 and 5. Now for drawing fractions, so there are 2 equal parts which are colored. That's why 2 is written in a top of fraction, and total 6 part, 2 by 6. Total 6 parts. That's why, and in which 2 are colored. Total 4 parts in which 3 are colored. Total 3 parts in which 1 are colored. 10 parts in which 9 are colored. Okay. So number on the top of fraction tells us numerator. Okay. Now find the fractions. There are 6 parts in which 4 are colored. So answer will be 4 by 6. There are 4 parts and color part is 1 by 4. There are 2 parts, So there are 3 parts and total colored parts are 2. So answer will be 2 by 3. Okay, so we can see it. Now, how many types of fraction? There are 3 types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So what is proper fraction? So I have already told you that what is numerator and denominator. Numerator is the upper part of fraction and denominator is the lower part of the fraction. So if the lower part of fraction, it means denominator. If denominator is greater than numerator, then that is called proper fraction. If the denominator is greater than top of part or numerator, then it is called proper fraction. And if the denominator is less than numerator, then it is called improper fraction. So what is mixed number? We can see it. Mixed fraction basically, if we talk about 3 circles, there are 3 circles in which each circles are divided into 3 parts. Then we consider 2 parts which are totally colored, so 2 parts, and 1 part is colored in the 3 parts. Okay, so 1 part is colored of the 3 parts, so 1 by 3 here and 2 here. If we combine these parts, if we combine these forms, then the answer will be 2 1 by 3. Okay, so these are the mixed fraction where we do proper improper fractions are written in a proper fraction form. So what is mixed fraction? Improper fractions are either whole number in distinguished, such as 4 by 2, 9 by 3, 100 by 10, but they are not a proper fraction. So if we written in these improper fractions in the proper form, then that will be mixed fraction. So mixed fraction are 4 by 3, 7 by 2, 101 by 10, but these are also a improper fraction. If we written in the proper form, then that will be a mixed numbers. Okay, Jai Hind.